Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Marguerites are very versatile plants. The beautiful flowers of Marguerite appears throughout the summer. You can decorate your house and balcony with it. It is also an indoor plant. If you grow it in a greenhouse, it will flower for most of the year. Planted in a pot, they will reach a height of 30 to 45 centimeter, but in a greenhouse, they will reach a height of 90 centimeters. It is a very easy plant that requires minimal care and attention. Remove withered flowers to extend the flowering period. Water is generously in the summer and sparingly in the winter. Place in full sun to get at least 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. It needs a normal summer temperature but protection from the wind. In winter, the temperature should not fall below 13 degrees centigrade. Feed it once a month during the growing season with liquid fertilizer. Don't feed it during the winter. If you want to grow Marguerite indoors, place it in a sunny window. Grow this plant in large tubs outside near the doors to make it look attractive.
Thanks for watching.